Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to know about the integration of Workstatus with the third-party applications. For that, you have to log in to your web application inside Workstatus, and then you have to navigate to the side menu under the settings. You will find an option Import and Integrations. Click on Integration. To add a third party to the Workstatus, you need to click on Add Integration. Once you click on this, you will be able to see that what all parts we have inside the Workstatus that you can integrate with. The first is the Private Cloud AWS. Then we have the Mail Server SMTP. Then we have the SSO Google login. And then we have the Okta SSO login. You can have all these integrated with the Workstatus. I'll show you how it can be done. For example, let's go to the AWS. You just have to mention the fields over here and then you have to click on Save. Once this is saved, test connection gets enabled. Now when this gets enabled, you can test it while logging into your AWS accounts and you'll be able to see that whatever screenshots or the files that you're uploading inside the Workstatus are visible inside the AWS bucket. Go back to the settings, come up to the integration. You will be able to see once you have integrated whatever as per your requirements, you can see that this is the listing how it comes up. Now we have disabled SMTP and AWS for the moment. For this account, it is coming status as disabled, and SSO login for Google is enabled, so it is coming as enabled. You can click on the three dots to have it reauthenticate to enable this specific status and change it to enabled. So this was all about the integration. Thank you.